Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's edition of Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Ricks, and I am very excited to be joined by Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How are you doing today, Jeff?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. What scenario do you have for us?
You and your friend want to go to the packing house for dinner. So it's down by the airport, and you are going eastbound on Layton Avenue, and you get to the median where you can make a left-hand turn to turn into the packing house, but you have to cross the westbound traffic on Layton Avenue. So you get to the median. It's kind of busy, and the cars in those first two lanes, they stop for you to let you pull forward and go into the parking lot at the packing house. So you start pulling in, you make your left-hand turn, but there's a car that's coming in that third lane, so sort of the turn lane or the parking lane, and you pull out and you pull right out in front of that car and you get T-boned. And as a result of that crash, both you and the other driver are injured. So case or no case against the other driver who T-boned you as you were making that turn.
I would definitely assume that I have a case.
No, you probably don't have a case against that. Okay, so when you're making a left-hand turn, you have to make sure that you yield to other traffic. And even though that car is in that third lane, right, that parking or travel lane, as long as there's two lanes of travel and there's that third lane of travel, they have the right of way. So you are actually the one who's at fault in that scenario. So if you're at fault, you don't have a case against that other driver, and they'd have a case against you.
Really great information. Thank you so much, Jeff. And if you're ever wondering if you have a case or perhaps no case, just dial the threes. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.